Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So someone requested me to make a video of this particular indicator on boom 1000 5 minutes time frames. So as you can see now, we have our indicator set up with it. This is a two combination of indicator together, and it's so perfect and accurate, guys. This is what you need as a beginner in trading boom and crash index. And also, if you are trading step index, this same strategy works on step index. So I have a lot of people that have been messaging me for this particular indicator. All what you need to do to get this particular indicator is very simple. Just join my Telegram group and get access to me, and you're going to get this indicator. But this indicator is not for free, guys. So inside this particular video, I want to show you how this particular indicator works on boom 1000 on 5 minute time frames. Don't forget to subscribe to on this our channel. And as you can see now, we have our indicator arrow on our chart. You can see this, and we have our support level here, which is our thick red 9 here. We have our thick green 9 here, which is our resistance level. So what we are going to be doing most of the time is we are going to be trading in between the support level and the resistance level. So this particular arrow that you see here is what is going to be guiding us in trading our price perfectly, guys. This has been 100% working accuracy in trading boom and crash index. So as you can see now that we have our arrow indicator that appear at this particular area. So once it appears, that is to tell us that our market is going on a downtrend, most especially when this our light green line has not reached our resistance level, and when this our light green lead has not reached our resistance level, because once this particular green line reach our resistance level, that is to take our profit. Like what you see there, you can see that it reached it at this particular level, and that is to tell us that we have to close our trade at this particular level. So imagine what you are going to be taking from year to year on 5 minute time frames. You will have make a lot of profits. You can see another signal appear at this particular area, and that is today. We have another indicator appear here, and we are taking this particular trade from this particular area until we have this our red touching our support level, and you can see that it touched it at this particular area. We have it on this particular area. So this is going to be a massive trade for you guys today. So we have another one here. So we are going to enter our trade at this particular area. So let me mark that particular spot so that you guys can see very well. So you can see we have the first confirmation entry around here. We have the second one around this particular area. So this is the third one. You can see the third one around this area. This is the third arrow that we see here today. You can see that. So we enter at this particular area, and we wait for this our light green line to reach our support